She's so deserving of this love.
Nick and Ashlee have brought us together to witness and celebrate the love and the commitment that they are about to make. Having found each other, they have built a relationship that will serve as a strong foundation for their marriage. Marriage is a bold step into an unknown future. It is risking who we are for the sake of who we will become. Today is not the beginning of Nick and Ashlee's relationship. It's a celebration of all the moments, big and small, that have brought them here. So today we witness not the creation of something new, but the outward expression of a bond that already exists.
Ashlee. From the moment you came into Nick's life, we knew there was something special about you. Over the past 5 years, we've had the privilege of watching you grow into a wonderful young woman, full of life, and now today a wife. You are kind, selfless, caring, and you love my son in a way every mother hopes for.
I am extremely proud of the both of them. They've come a really long way. They've gone through a lot of things people shouldn't at their age, and they deserve every ounce of happiness they're gonna get today.
I just want to love her for the rest of my life. She's the only one that I care about, and I just want to make her happy.
I thought Nick getting married meant I would lose my brother, but with Ashlee it's the opposite. I've gained a sister, and my family is bigger than ever.
They say it is a once-in-a-lifetime experience to meet the person you will spend the rest of your life with, the person who becomes your biggest cheerleader, your partner in crime, and your best friend.
Nick. We couldn't be prouder of the man you've become. The way you love Ashlee, respect her, and stand beside her tells me everything I need to know. You have a huge heart and love even bigger. You found your person, and that is one of the greatest gifts in life. Your love is genuine, it's strong, and it's something everyone in this room can see and feel. Your journey together is just beginning, and I know it's going to be filled with laughter, adventure, and so much love. So tonight we celebrate you. We celebrate the life you're building, the love you share, and the beautiful moments still to come.
In marriage, two lives are intimately shared, and that union should never diminish the other person, but instead enhance the individuality and strength. Marriage is not created by a ceremony or by a law. It lives in the hearts of two people. It grows through love, patience, sacrifice, and daily commitment to each other.
I could not have picked a more caring, loyal, compassionate, and hilarious partner for her than you.
Bright like the sun, may these rings remind you that your love is meant to illuminate your lives. Round like the arms they embrace, may these rings remind you that human love is a gift to the world.
With all that I am and all that I have, I promise to love you now and forever.
With all that I am and all that I have, I promise to love you now and forever.
What I admire most about the two of you is how beautifully you balance one another. Where Ashlee brings drive and energy, Nick brings steadiness and calm. Together you create something stronger than either of you could have ever done alone. Your marriage is not something you own or control. It's something you share, nurture, and protect together. By the power vested in me by the World Wide Web, it is my great honor and joy to officially recognize you as husband and wife. You may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to present to you for the very first time as husband and wife, Nick and Ashlee.
I know that if Dad was here, he would be so proud of you, you know, because we all knew that you were going to be great growing up. And, you know, you've shined into it so good, for real. And, you know, I'm so proud of you.